Hey Lunatics, it's Lady Luna, and today we're going to be talking about 6 handy uses for lavender essential oil. So, first of all, I'm Lady Luna, also known as Luna Knight here on YouTube, and I make videos all about different mystical and natural and wonderful, loving things. And if you like those topics, be sure and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos like this, and push the bell so you get new video notifications. First thing is I have this amazing 100% pure lavender essential oil that I really love. I just discovered this brand. This and the other product I'm going to talk about in this video are amazing wellness products that I get from a specific store. So I actually have a Facebook group about it. Join my Facebook group. Like, you'll get to talk to me. It'll be awesome. The link will be below this video. But anyway, this is an amazing pure lavender essential oil. It's very good to get oils, obviously, that are pure and that aren't adulterated with anything. So the first thing that I use lavender essential oil for is relaxation and to calm anxiety. I'm not saying that anyone should replace, obviously, any medication or anything with essential oils, but however, as far as things that help, I love lavender. I really, really, really love it because there are so many ways that you can relax with it. What I like to do is sometimes you just get a little bit of a carrier oil, like a fractionated coconut oil. You put a little bit into your hand and you put maybe 1 or 2 drops in. You rub your hands together and you just smell your hands. And when you do this, not only are you breathing in deeply and you're able to breathe better and relax, but also the smell is like a mild sedative to your brain. And that can actually calm you down quicker than you would think. It's really fantastic. If you've never tried it before, you should really try it. That also brings me to my second point, which is lavender can be used as a sleep aid. So if you have trouble falling asleep at night, which I actually used to have trouble with that all the time, one thing you can do is take your pillow, and I take my little lavender oil and I put a drop on each corner of the pillow, and I can smell lavender and it smells so good and it makes me feel sleepy and I fall asleep so much more easily. And believe it or not, the first reason that I tried this was to make my dreams better, because I had a period of my life where I was having horrible nightmares all the time, every single night. And the pleasant smell of the lavender actually helped my dreams to be better. So I don't know if that's a scientific thing or not, but I would assume smelling something pleasant as you're falling asleep would likely make your dreams better. Another thing I love about lavender is it's soothing to the skin. It's good for sensitive skin. As far as just moisturizing the skin, there's actually a lotion I really like called Renew, and I talk about it in the Facebook group too. This particular lotion actually has this same kind of essential oil in it, the pure, as you can see. And this is super moisturizing. If you don't have this, another thing you can do is get regular lotion that's unscented or has a mild scent and put a few drops in there and then rub it onto your skin. Lavender is really moisturizing and it helps calm redness and irritation and things like that. Lavender can help minor skin irritations, and I do say minor, but things like burns or sunburns, bug bites, and other sorts of little irritations. So I remember one time I had a bug bite and I put a little bit of essential oil on it. It was lavender and I think some other soothing essential oils like chamomile and things like that. And within seconds it stopped itching, which was amazing. And I just love that sometimes things are so fast and easy like that with essential oils. If you make your own homemade candles, your own homemade soaps like soap bars or bath bombs and things like that, lavender is a universally loved essential oil and a universally loved fragrance. So this is great for putting in your bath. You can actually even put a few drops of lavender essential oil in your bath. I didn't even put that on the list, but you can use it for bath bombs as well, homemade bath bombs. And that is the most luxurious bath you'll ever take. It's amazing. In candles, it works for things like meditation. This is more on a spiritual level, but it's a practice that I really, really enjoy a lot. Meditating with candles or with essential oils and things like that can really help relax you, but also open your mind up to different sorts of positive thoughts that you can focus on while you meditate. Because lavender oil is an oil that can open your crown chakra. If you're familiar with the chakra system, your crown chakra is on the very top of your head. It's represented and activated by the color purple, which lavender comes from a purple plant. And I really love that there's so many ways to meditate with this. Sometimes you can just have a diffuser going and you can smell the lavender, or you can have a lavender scented candle and you focus on the flame. That's what a lot of people like to do if they have trouble focusing while they meditate. So yeah, I really love all those ways. And I highly suggest, if you've never used lavender before, now is the time to try. It's literally the most popular essential oil out there. So, and I think it's probably one of the most versatile as well. Those aren't even all the ways that I've learned yet to use lavender. There are so many different ways, but those are the most common ways to use them. So if you have a specific way that you use lavender, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And if you got this far in the video, be sure and leave the secret word of the day in the comments so I know you got this far, which is lotion. Be sure to leave the comment lotion below. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Hit the bell, push like so that I know you liked the video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.